In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit invoice templates in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your invoice template settings and how to fine-tune the look and feel so your PDFs reflect your brand and stay easy to reread for customers. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. Look for the settings icon, the small gear in the corner, and click it. This opens a panel where all your account configuration lives. From here, choose PDF templates. This is the central place for designing the layout of your documents, including invoices, and it's where you can standardize how your information appears when you share or download a PDF. In the templates area, locate your invoice template and click Edit. This takes you into the editor, where you'll see options grouped by sections. Begin with template properties. These control the foundational behavior of the template. Take a moment to confirm the template name and any default settings and ensure it clearly describes its purpose so you can recognize it later if you create variations for different regions or brands. Next, adjust the paper size. You can select from A5, A4, or letter. A4 is the common law international standard and works well for most scenarios. Letter is widely used in the United States and Canada. A5 can be helpful for compact prints or inserts. Pick the size your customers and printers expect, and remember that changing paper size can affect how tables and totals wrap, so keep readability top of mind. Choose the orientation that best fits your content, portrait or landscape. Portrait is ideal for most invoices and saves space vertically. Landscape is useful if your item table has many columns or long item descriptions, giving you more horizontal room to avoid cramped text. Now, edit the font. Select a clean, professional typeface and an appropriate size that's readable on both screen and paper. Consistency is key. Use the same font family throughout to avoid a cluttered look. If you issue invoices in multiple languages, choose a font that supports your character sets. Open the header and footer section. This is where you control elements that repeat at the top and bottom of every page, keeping your branding and contact details consistent. Click Background image to manage visual accents behind your content if you use them. Then choose a background color. Subtle, brand-aligned colors work best. Keep contrast high so text remains legible. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your updated template will be used for future PDF invoices, preserving past documents as they were. That's it. Your invoice template is now refined, consistent, and ready to share.